Because you are the type of person that can reinvent the wheel. You can be a trendsetter. You can start your own thing and have people follow after you or copy you. Some people will naturally start to compare themselves to you, especially when every time they look back on you, you're always on something different. You're very innovative. You're never stopping in your tracks for anyone, any obstacle, any negativity. You're just always on the go to new and better things. I'm getting the energy that some people just do not want to share their spotlight or share the spotlight. Whole time you have your own spotlight, but because in their head they're competing with you, they feel like every time you accomplish something or because of the path that you're on, they have to outdo you or they have to sabotage what you have going on. You will even catch people trying to do it how you do it, trying to copy you because they feel like they can be you better than you. Some people want to switch lives with you, switch career paths, swap destinies because of who you are. And this could be people that's closest to you. And life has some people thinking that they will be the only ones getting praise. They will be the only ones that people call out to, people notice, people pay attention to, people congratulate. Now you're coming in the picture. Now you're achieving things. Now you have your goal and your plan made up. And you know where you're going. And you're very certain, very sure that it's going to work out for you. It's intimidating. Some may have even thought that they could have a say-so in how you go about your life, your journey. They may have thought that they could bring you down, steer you this way and you will follow, just to say that they helped you out, just to say that they gave you those directions. But because you didn't listen to them, because you kept believing and you had faith, now the proof is in the pudding. Now you have works to show that you've been putting in the work. You've been putting in the effort. And it's not a joke no more. You are the one. And people are forced and faced to see that there's most likely a possibility that you will succeed. That you're already successful. When I tell you, God will really show you off in front of people who play with you. Maybe in front of other people. Again, this could be people that's closest to you that really preyed on your downfall. That really didn't want you to do good because they know that you will always outshine them. In the back of their head, they knew it's something about you that they don't embody within themselves. So they gotta suppress whatever you have. They gotta downplay whatever you have going on. Because whatever they have going on is gonna outshine you. That's what I'm saying. In people's heads, they really be comparing themselves to you. They're really in competition with you. They really want to be you. This could even be with generations. Maybe somebody had a problem with your parents, your grandparents, and they try to curse your whole family or your immediate family, acting like, oh, I'm part of this family or I'm this uncle, aunt, cousin, whatever, and I'ma always do better than y'all. Your whole bloodline will not do great. But once that one person, a part of that little immediate family, starts to do good, that's when they get to starting to feel away. That's when they get to starting to be distant, monitor you, question you, just be so weird. When you have discernment, you can feel that. And then when you start to do good, people forget the times that you weren't doing good. Because they were never a part of your life when you wasn't doing good. Because they didn't call out to you. They didn't check up on you. They didn't try to help you out for real. They knew what you were destined for, but they wanted to see if you could get out of that situation. And you could be that crab to get out of that bucket. But you did. And that's why you will catch people really disconnecting from you because they know what they've said behind your back. You will catch people being really quiet and just monitoring you because they thought that you will always be less than. maybe like then. Like reality is about to slap a whole bunch of people in their face, and you will have a whole bunch of people pretending that they've been effing with you since day one. And this is something that you're gonna have to deal with, especially if the main ones who didn't believe in you, who were against you, were family. You're gonna have to forgive, and you're gonna have to be at peace with a lot of people. Like, remember, the turtle won the race. All you have to do is stay consistent and stay focused, because that's exactly what they don't want you to do. Because either way, you're going to get to it. Either way, you're going to win. Either way, your life is already prosperous. You're already blessed because you have mustard seed faith. Because you've never given up on yourself, no matter what it is. You could start over and do it all over again and still be at a better position. Every year your life is differently. You are always on better things. And one thing about it, when the devil sees that you are doing great, he will send people that claim that they love you, claim that they care about you into your life just to distract you. Because you are actually a man or a woman of your word. Anything you say you're going to do, you actually do it. And people be so shocked because, a lot of people be all talk. They just like this. But because you're the person that steps behind yourself, because you put yourself first and you take yourself seriously, it's bound to happen. It's just a matter of time. If you're living in blessings right now, people already see that. And people will be jealous of you because of that very thing. Because you are a go-getter. Because you really have willpower and you were blessed with that gift. And I don't mean this from a boastful state of mind. It's just true. That's why you will catch people not praising you when you're doing a good thing. Especially for so long when you weren't doing a good thing and they try to uplift you. They try to, oh, it's gonna get better, you're gonna get better. But as soon as you started to do better for yourself and you actually wasn't all talk anymore, they started praising somebody else. They don't care about what you're doing. They're ignoring you. So call it. When they know it's time to give you your flowers and respect, they're gonna do that. People will fake it to make it around you just to get that help from you, just to get that reassurance that you care about them, that you love them. I don't care if this is people close to you. That's what they're going to do. They're going to do anything. But you gotta let them be themselves. I always trust people to be themselves. Like, it's gonna happen. People are really gonna act like they F with you when they really don't. Smile in your face and frown behind your back. And because you are a humble person and you come from humble beginnings, you won't have no problem with accepting people with open arms, with forgiving people, but it could also be distant. There's nothing wrong with being distant from people who are really not for you. People who really don't want to put in the work. People say they want this, want that, but they don't want to put in the work. And you putting in the work intimidates people. Because you're showing them everything that they should be doing, but they're refusing not to. They're being lazy with their flesh. That's why sometimes you will always end up having to be the bigger person, especially when you're actually doing the inner work and you're healing, traumas, generational curses. When you're actually healing yourself and you're in the process of being this high vibrational, developed, abundant person, you're gonna have to be forced to choose the right path. Turn your back on evilness, on the devil, especially when it's right in front of you in close proximity. That's why you always have to be on your toes, on all 10. Pray for spiritual protectors when you go around certain people. Pray that you are allowed to keep your peace within you when the devil tries to test you through other people, because that's what he's going to do. People will try to size you up. They will scrunch their face at you, mean mug you, everything under the sun when you are really chosen, when you are really putting the work in. So you really have to pray for those people and keep your chin up and be that better person. Be the leader that you are, because that's who you are. It's okay to be confident about it. Thank y'all so much for watching Justice Carmia. If y'all resonated with this video, I thought this was a good video. Y'all, it's 3 o'clock in the morning right now. I had to get this off my chest before I forgot, the words and the powerfulness that came along with this message. So if you loved and liked this video, please subscribe, comment, and thank y'all so much for the new subscribers. If you're new here, hey y'all, I love y'all as well. You met a real one. Hope y'all stay, and the messages are only gonna get better.